Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to create a group chat on Facebook Messenger. It's very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step you have to take is to open your Facebook Messenger app, and then all you have to do after that is to click on the icon at the top right corner. So you see this icon right there, click on that, and you see this create new group. Click on that option, and then what you have to do is to select the people you want to add to the group. For example, I'll pick this person and this person. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to enter the group name at the top. So for example, the group name is hiking group. For example, I just say hiking group, and then I'll click on create at the top right corner, just like that. And as you can see, I have successfully created a group. So I can drop a first message on the group, like for example, hi. So that's how you can do it. All right, so hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to create a group chat on Facebook Messenger. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys.